shopping in Brighton to all the vintage stores, and I found some clothes that I really liked that I'll show you, but I also found some things that I'm gonna alter and change DIY style. That was a bad idea. Don't throw scissors. The first item I am already wearing now, it's this ring. I think it is adorable. I think it's a really rare find. Super cute. I love it. I'll be wearing it all the time. And it was only £6. Thank you, Brighton Vintage. The second item I bought were these really cute little gloves. I love the color. They are so in right now. Perfect staple for the wardrobe. The color is just perfect. And these were only £5. £5? Yeah, £5. Amazing. Next thing I bought was this little corduroy baker boy hat, and I absolutely love this because I think it's really hard to find these in white, let alone corduroy white. So I'm really excited to style this one. The last accessory I bought was this Coca-Cola hat. I'm in love with this. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to buy it. I think it's a really cute, just little staple, something to add to your clothes. And this one was only £8. So now I've been through all of my accessories. I also found 3 items of clothing, which I liked, but I saw a lot of potential in them in terms of alteration. So I'm going to now DIY alter these 3 items. So they are my 3 finished looks. I hope you loved them. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll be bringing out my next video on Friday. So bye guys, always yours, Lemon Chia.